Hey y'all, I just wanted to come on here and show y'all what I got from Sephora today. Your girl got a lot. So I did get the Fenty Cheeks blush in Petal Poppin'. The packaging just itself just looks so cute. This is Petal Poppin'. This is what the shade looks like. This feels very silky, very creamy, very pigmented, as you can see. I got the Huda Beauty Baby Bake. This is in the shade Blondie. I do have the shade Kafuna, but I just wanted to try a lighter powder. So this is what this looks like. Next, I got the True to Myself Tinted Press Finishing Powder. This is in Golden Tan. This is by Rare Beauty. Honestly, like anything Rare Beauty that I purchase, I love. So this is what it looks like. Very cute, very sleek. I'm trying to be fast, y'all, but I'm trying not to make this video super long. I did get the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. I believe this is the mini, but this is what it looks like. It's just like a nice little gloss. It smells good as well. What's this? So this is the oil slicker from One Size. I've been hearing like amazing things about this product, so I had to purchase it myself. This is what it looks like. I did get the exfoliant. This is by Paula's Choice. I had the mini one, but I was just like, I might as well just buy the big one so it'll last longer. But I really love that toner. If y'all not hip, get hip. That's a bomb toner. So next I did get the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil. This is in Honesty. I just thought this was just like a very beautiful color. This is what it looks like. Let me see. So it's a nice like brown. It feels very wet. So I'm not sure if that's probably what it is, like the hydration of it all, but that's probably what I feel when I see it's wet. It says it's a gel formula, so that's probably what it looks like feeling. So I did get the Makeup Forever lip pencil. This is in Limitless Brown. I love a really good brown lip liner. That's pretty much all I use, honestly, but I like to have different browns in different shades. So I did get the Gwen Stefani lip gloss. This is in Dolled Up. They had a 50% off on her brand, so this was $10. And this looks like this. This is like a pink gloss. I thought that was really cute. I really went to get Flawless, but they didn't have the shade that I was looking for. So next I have the Huda Beauty. This is the blush in Strawberry and Cream. I'm gonna just show you guys what the blush looks like. This is the applicator, and this is the color of the blush, and it smells like strawberries and cream, honestly. Next two things I got is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm Stick. I have the shade Blaze Donut. The girl swatched this for me in the store, so I thought it was a nice shade. So this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like here. Then last, I wanted to try the Sephora Reveal the Real Soft Radiant Skin Tint. I got the shade 230 in medium. So I can't wait to try this. Definitely look out for my YouTube video, because I'm definitely going to be putting these products to good use. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, this is all I got from Sephora. See you next time.